So, lahat ng ini-edit niya na sumakit na yung ulot, lahat-lahat nawala. Look, bumili na naman siya ng, what is this, son?
Washcloth.
Okay, let's go na. Let's go to the water section. Tubig na naman kami.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Inom tayo ng tubig. Tinuloy ko lang yung video kahapon na ini-edit ko na hindi ako feeling good. Ngayon, okay na ako. Thank goodness, okay na. And yun, tinapos ko lang siya. And din, nakulangan ako sa video. So, I decided, nakikita na ninyo yung video, yung nag-harvest ako ng nandito na si Tammy, film niya yun. And yeah, I decided to add something because parang kulang yung video. I mean, nakulangan talaga ako. Pasensya na kasi yun, guys. And yun, nag-harvest ako ng okra at saka raspberry. We supposedly going to the city but we decided not to because we are kind of busy. Yesterday, wala kaming nagawa dito sa bahay. Hindi ako nakapaglinis dahil hindi ako nga okay. Thank goodness, okay na ako. So, kaya hindi kami tutuloy sa city para ng passport ko. So, next week na lang baka Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. And yun, hopefully guys, talagang magawa namin yun next week. Kasi kailangan ko nang may passport. Maglinis ako sa bathroom. And also guys, punta tayo sa isang bedroom para natin yung bed. I-blow up natin yung bed. Hinihintay ko lang itong pina-finalize ko na video. Mag-greet lang ako ng happy birthday kay Sis Liana Rashu. Hi sis, thank you so much sis for watching. Yes, you're always watching my vlog. Happy birthday, belated September 4. Belated sis. Ito yung gamitin natin na airbed guys. Kasi tuloy na talaga yung mga tao dito. Ba't nagbe-blur siya? Iwan ko na lang. So, tuloy na talaga yung mga tao dito. Nagtitext kay Tammy this morning. Na tuloy talaga sila. So, kaya doon, wala tayong magawa. Tuloy talaga guys, tuloy. Ay, kakaiba pala itong airbed na to. This is different. Iba pala ito guys. Hindi siya yung malaki. Mababa siya na airbed. Let's see kung mabalik ba natin ito sa bag. Kasi alam ko talaga kapag inando ko na, hindi na talaga mababalik kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ibalik. Time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys, ito pang spray. I-spray ko muna siya bago ko siya kudkurin mamaya para come here guys, clean with me guys. Yan guys, tapos. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. So ngayon, wala na tayong makikita yung line. Wala na. Dito din. Basta na ako guys, maliligo lang ako mamaya kapag tapos na ako maglinis. Yun. Kudkurin ko tong CR dito. Kudkurin ko tong CR dito pagkatapos kong maligo. Yeah. Parang uulan ata daw ngayon, sabi ni Tami. So, nakapag-upload ako ng 2 videos. And si Tami hindi pa siya tapos sa kanya. Kaloka tong asahan ko talaga. Inuna ko lang yung mga mahirap gawin. Ito, okay lang naman to dito kasi simple lang naman.
Pasta, you want salad?
Keep asking.
You want cucumber? You want
Oh, maybe the salad.
Popeyes? You want sausage?
Maybe the salad.
Salad?
The regular salad and then the wait, there's no more left?
You know more left this here.
No, the one that you made last night.
Yeah, regular salad.
Yeah, in the bag.
Yeah, it's in the bag. I gotta find a bag. I look like hell. You got me on camera.
You and me look like me. I'm still gonna take a shower, guys. So you want?
Me too.
I'm gonna have one sausage with the
Okay.
yeah, one sausage and salad. I hit the sausage first.
You
There.
come looking for you right away.
This is it's something. This one, who's looking? Hubs.
Go back and eat that. You want something? Go back and eat that.
I thought she ate because the way you up.
No, because she sees food coming out. She thinks, hey, when she goes to her dish, she's still.
Are you serious? You cannot scam us, Rocks. I'm going to Walmart. You gonna go with me?
I guess. You want a shower, huh?
I'm gonna take shower too. You want sausage too that I can hit too?
No.
Tapos na akong naglinis sa mga shower area. At tapos na rin ako naligo. And Tammy had to go shower because if he doesn't go, I'll go alone. Sarap ng dingdong ay. Nanonood lang ako ng Rafi Tulfo. Kaloka naman itong Rafi Tulfo na to. Santa Maria, Bulacan. Naloka ko. Anyway guys, kita-kits mamaya guys. Si Tami hindi pa naliligo. Doon pa rin siya sa laptop niya. Ako din. Balik ako sa laptop ko. Ito, I don't know kung kailan ito ni Tami dalhin sa isang bahay para I think Friday. Yeah, I think Friday. I-install niya ito doon Friday kasi pagka Saturday morning simbahan and then sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. 'Di ba si Tami ng video niya sa laptop niya yung mga picture. May gamit siyang program parang pang-editing pero iba yung style. Hindi ko bili daw yun niya $60. And then kaso nag-crash. So lahat ng ini-edit niya na sumakit na yung ulot, lahat-lahat nawala talaga guys. Sabi ko wag mo nang ibigay mo na lang yung picture na wala sa akin and then gagawa ako ng look ng ibang video na walang sound para tigas din ang ulo kasi she thinks she's going with us guys. Look, you're staying here, you're not going with us. Thunder, I'm worried about her.
You'll be okay, girl.
She's worried.
You'll be okay. We'll be back.
We will be right back, okay? Be a good girl. I know. If there's a thunder, hide somewhere, okay? Hide. You go hide somewhere. I'll be right back. Be a good girl. Be a good girl, okay? Be a good girl. Oy, nakakasad man, oy. Nakakasad live mo na baby ni mama. You stay there. You stay there. Bye. And she really makes me sad. You have brush here, you know that.
Yeah, I know. I don't like it.
You don't like this brush? It's kind of nice and hard.
It's good when my hair is a little longer, but right now it's not good.
So you got your own brush. Gee. Before.
You better plug yours in.
3,000 years later.
Okay, dog food na naman tayo guys. And then, hanap tayo ng cat food. Hanap tayo, okay. Naghanap ako ng mga ano guys. Yung candle diffuser. Meron sila dito pero ang mahal naman. $10. Yan, hanap tayo.
Which one do you want?
And you get one, the black one.
The black one, this one?
Yeah. They're all the same, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, diffuser though. That's really good for bathroom. But look, that's $10 too. Oh, this is good. They have it already.
Yeah, it's got the oil on it.
Okay. You like the lavender? They have the
Yeah, I
lavender.
don't like the vanilla.
Yeah, where is the lavender?
What's this one?
That's good with it, hon.
Yeah, but I want to see what... This one's rose.
Rose? You like the rose?
I don't like the vanilla.
Okay.
I mean, if they have this with a different scent.
I got the diffuser one in our bathroom, but the other one is not. The upstairs. You get one, that's it.
Oh, you do one in each bathroom, right?
No. I have the lavender that you like. These candles, I don't like the smell though. This smells good, hon. This is good. Let me smell this one. This is nice, lilac, hon. I'm gonna get this. Ang bango niya, guys. Ito, guys. No, lilac. Lilac breeze. Hindi nyo makita o hindi nag-focus. And what is that? Dragon that will blow all the smell?
Incense, yeah.
Really? Smoke breathing dragon?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. Is this on sale? I like this one. Oh, I like that curtains. This one. Oh. Hello, this is nice, hon. Look.
Yeah.
This one too. Oh, are they scented? Oh no,
Yeah.
it's just a fountain.
So that's
Fountain.
the fountain. These are something.
No, that's this one is not for.
Look for like this.
It's for like that.
And for this.
No, I don't like the smell. Well, actually it's nice, but we're not buying a lot. I just got a lot of
What is
things
this one?
already. Sha and candle, it smells good. And this one also electric simmering pot. And yeah, I will put. You know what I'm going to put over this one, guys, is yung unstoppable na lagyan siya ng tubig and then ilagay mo siya dito ang bango. Amuyin nga natin to, be. Kasi parang ano siya, cucumber kasi. Tignan natin yun. Hala, ang bango niya, guys. Ang bango ng cucumber. Amuyin natin to. Velvet Sunset. Hala. Ang bango.
You go by color or you go by scent?
No, I'm scent. Hala, ang bango. Ang bango.
Wesley from Bottle Redemption to the service desk. Wesley from Bottle Redemption.
Hala, Han, do you like this?
What the fuck? I don't know what it says on it.
Island party. It's a lemon. Cranberry mandarin. Ang bango nila, guys. Grabe. Gusto. Guys, ang daming mirror, guys. Ugly daw yun. Sabi ni Tami, pangit daw. Ang ganda naman, di ba? Maganda yan, oh. Look, oh. Mga candle thing. Pang bahay ba? Pang decoration? Ay, sus, talagang buhay na to. Kumuha din siya para sa funeral ng kapatid niya. Candle. Mahirap talaga kumuha ng, guys, tablecloth na yung size. Kasi the table of mom is weird size anyway. It's big size. Are we just gonna get that? Because we don't have that. We always.
I guess.
Yeah, do we have that round one? Yeah. Hanap kami ng rug, guys. Kasi sa bathroom namin, walang rug yung isang shower.
Narrower, same.
The same thing. Ala. Let me do it.
Narrower.
Huh?
Not much narrower, but a little narrower. Yeah, look, it's narrower.
Oh, maybe that one. Maybe that good. That size too. That color too is good.
The same color basically. It's a little.
What happened? Guys, matagal na kami dito, guys. Matagal na kami dito. Look, bumili na naman siya ng... What is this, son?
Washcloth.
Dami. Okay, let's go na. Let's go to the water section. O, tubig na naman kami. What is that?
Headboard.
A headboard? Oh, I like that. They have more cheaper one in the tag. What is that? Big Lots.
Table.
That's good. Gusto ko to siya. Yan din gusto ko. This one gusto ko. Ang mahal naman ito.
One long angry line later.
It's nice dito, guys. May makikita mo yung bukid na dito, oh. Yung bukid rin. Bukid doon, oh, bukid. Kikita mo yung bukid. Maganda dito. This is nice, hon. You can see mountains over here. I think it's over there. Oh, it's right here. Yun yung damage namin, guys. Grabe. Ang dami. Hi guys! I'm gonna do a haul right now. We'll get chicken. Ito yung nabili namin sa Walmart. Chicken thighs. Lutuin ko to tonight. Nagutom ako, han. I'm hungry. So, we get also... honey, look. Put this over there. What is this, han?
Juice.
Juice orange? Orange juice with pork. We got salad. Tommy salad. I don't know. We got salad yesterday and I don't know why he got more. Tommy got straw. Got bumpers for the glass that won't broke. Candles for my sister-in-law's viewing. Look. Hey guys, mushroom. He's in a hurry. And asparagus here. And of course, washcloth. Washcloth. And cat food.
My dragon.
Laundry softener. And he's looking for dragon.
And the little incense to go with it.
A dragon. What is the incense with
The
it?
little boxes.
This one.
There should be 3 of them.
3 of them. This one, guys. I got a electric simmering pot for scented house, guys. We're gonna make our house different scent, okay? And
we can't do it too often because it's not good for the house.
yeah. And this is foaming hand wash. It's foaming, guys. You know why? You know that. And I don't know why Tommy got an apron.
Because the one here was right.
I thought you just got a new one.
No.
We got cheese because we don't have any more cheese. Parmesan cheese. I got candles. Oh my god, these candles, guys, is mainstays. Like, you know, it's just, you can see it in every grocery store. But this one is really, it's lilac breeze. And this one also is a garden rain. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. And Tommy got another Bertolli Alfredo sauce. Wait, this is from Walmart, guys. Like, we love Walmart. Me. And he finally get a bread, an ugly bread. I don't know. This is a garlic bread, huh? Garlic
bread.
Huh?
Not garlic bread unless you put garlic in.
It smells garlic. And this one also 2 more Hawaiian bread. I will put this downstairs. And look, clementines because it's a hard head. More cat food, 409 cleaner. And we get pee-pee pad for dimple alerts downstairs because she pee. And this is lavender. Tommy decided to get one for the bathroom upstairs. Diffuser. 2 of this dog food. And we get now the size for our this is tablecloth. And also we finally got a rug for the bathroom, for the shower when you get out down here for the master bedroom. Yan. So meron na kami. Yay! And of course this one guys, the biggest, this one. And I think that's really it. And how much is this? 200, 250, wait. 250? 260?
Yeah, 260.
Huh?
260.
Yeah, 260. 260. How much is that in the peso? That's it, guys. That's my grocery haul. Hala, it smells good, hun.